1 owner, power equipment, 31 mpg, CD/MP3 audio, keyless start smart key. Byerly Nissan in Louisville, Kentucky is Kentucky's #1 Nissan dealer in customer satisfaction. This one-owner 2009 Nissan Altima 2.5S has gone through our extensive inspection and reconditioning process, performed by our service department staffed with Nissan Master Technicians. This is one of the reasons we are a proud recipient of the Nissan Owner First Award of Excellence, Nissan's highest award for outstanding customer satisfaction. Thank you for viewing this vehicle and for choosing Byerly Nissan in Louisville, Kentucky. For complete details, please visit our website at www.byerlynissan.com. It's that easy.